Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change the appearance of Netflix subtitles. To make changes to the subtitle settings, open up Netflix in your web browser, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and click Account. Scroll down to Profile and Parental Controls, click the profile you want to make changes to, scroll down again until you reach Subtitle Appearance, click Change. At the top of this web page you'll see a window with a sample subtitle on a cloudy background image. This window will update whenever you make changes. This preview can help you decide how you like subtitles on Netflix. There are several options on offer. Choose between 7 supported fonts. Choose between small, medium and large text. Choose from a few effects to help separate text from the background. Create a solid colour background around just the text that appears on the screen. Create a background behind the text, but this one will always be a rectangular large enough to go around every line of text. You can play around with these settings until you find something that you like. When you're ready, click Save at the bottom of the page. If you're in the middle of viewing a video on Netflix, you'll need to refresh it for the changes to take effect. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.